Well, hello, and welcome back, everybody. So we are here for another exciting rendition of Webi PRs. Who knows whether or not it'll be exciting, but it will be Webi PRs. What we have here, basically, I found out a little late in my career to be finding this out, but I guess things are changing, so whatever. Um, Bash is not really a universal shell. In my experience, up until about a year ago, Bash was just this universal shell, and occasionally there'd be some weird environment where something didn't work as expected, but it was whatever. You write your scripts in Bash. It turns out Bash is absolutely the wrong shell to be writing scripts for, and you should be writing scripts for the Posix shell. And that there have been a few issues with Webi, particularly in Docker, and maybe on BSD. I don't know if we actually officially support BSD, but we should. Anyway, this will be part of the roadmap to it. Anyway, there's just a bunch of stuff that we have to change from Bashisms to Posix shells so that we can have more compatibility and portability across Windows, Mac, and Linux, and Docker and Alpine and all the things. So I have set up a bunch of PRs in accordance with. I was able to run shell check. Shell check will tell you can put shell check in Posix mode, which is to do -s sh, and then you can get back the list of error codes. And so I've created PRs for these lists of error codes, and I'm going to go through, and it would be so much faster and easier for me to handle these myself. But here's the thing. This is a little bit of open source hacking, or what do you call it? What is it? It's called. But anyway, it's kind of a popularity hacking thing. Is you make PRs available for people to do, and then you do 10 times as much work, but it brings more people into your community. So yeah. Also added a bunch of others today. You could fix. All right, so this one's closed. So first thing I'm going to do is merge this PR where there's a bunch of changes to function. Okay, this one, let me go back. Function prefix. So this should actually be refactor Posix. Posix, that's what this is for. Remove function prefix from all shell files. Yeah, there we go. That's good. All right. So this is going to be a bit too difficult to go through and look at 132 files. So basically what I did is I already knew exactly what needed to be done. And I actually put a command that would do precisely that if I could find it. Oh, whoops. Let me go back to issues. And so I'm just going to do it myself and then check and see what the differences are between the two. Let's see. That should work. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to go, oh, we're not on prezos yet, or not prezos right now. I'm going to go and I'm going to throw this on the other screen. Boop. And then let's open up a new shell. Okay. And we're going to go into serve. Also, I got to stop using push D. I am so surprised. Every shell I've ever used, including Windows, supports push D. But apparently, push D is not supported by Posix shell. I had no idea. So I've got to develop new habits. And that one I don't exactly know what the automated fix for is. But anyway, let's go check out main. Oops. I need to do installers here. Okay, we're going to check out main. Is that the branch we're on? Great. And then I'm going to check out -b. I'm going to call this Webi remove. What did he call his branch? Let me see. Just give it a similar name. Okay, yeah. Refactor fns2 is what I'll call this, and I'm just going to run this. command here, modified a whole bunch of files, and then I'm going to do add star.sh, make sure that there's no new files. I'm just looking for new file rather than modified. I don't see anything, so this all looks good. So I'm going to commit this, and this is just going to be whip refactor fns, and then I'm going to do a Webi review, a little command I created to basically just parses the GitHub username and branch name, and then gets things checked out and set up and all that for me. And then I'm just going to do git diff refactor fns2 and see what's different. Interesting. So I think this is a goofo. I think this one has a space where it shouldn't have a space, but it's not technically illegal. Interesting. Okay, cool. So that's the only difference between the two. Then git branch. Whoops. Yep. Okay, that's right. Uh-oh. That's just a warning. I don't need to worry about that. No warnings today. Oh. Okay. Webi main. Ah. Yeah, this was a bad idea. I should not be doing this, and I'm probably gonna have to fix this as part of this refactor. Because I've embedded a shell script inside of a shell script here. The purpose of which is that I'm able to template a lot of things, I think. Or maybe it's just stupid. No, I know the reason is. I should still find a better way to do this. The reason is that I want this, I don't want to have to download this twice. But you know what I could do? I could just put it at the end of, there's ways that people do this. So you can put stuff at the end of a script and just have it be binary data and then have an exit or a return or something like that. Let's see. I'll have to consider that more later. Function, yeah. Okay, well, whatever. Anyway. Webi bootstrap, okay. So git commit -mf. And then I'm just going to git rebase main. I probably should have done that beforehand, whatever. Oh, good. Git rebase -i main. And then I'm just going to rename this. First of all, let me just go ahead and do that real quick. So this is refactor of Posix. And this is remove function prefix from all shell files. Yeah, that's good. Boop. And then we do this again. And I'm just going to fold this into that, reword this. It's kind of dumb. It's my own. Yeah. Yeah, you know, I think I'm just going to fold that in. I'm just going to fold that in. We only need one commit for this. Okay, let me scroll back here and see if I still have on the command line. There we go. This is what I needed to do right here. Cool. All right, now I need to make sure that things still work. So the main way that I'm going to do that is just set my own Webi install to beta and then install a bunch of things. Let's see, we'll get rid of SD and RG and FD and then just run to reinstall those things. Interesting. Server returned an error. That's unusual. Let me just make sure. Okay, good. All right, so I did something wrong. Let's figure out what it's about. Why would the server... I mean, the server doesn't run shell scripts. So I'm not sure what this would be about. Okay, well, let's take a look. Install beta, is that what it is? Interesting. Cannot find module, plain server. Oh, you know what I think it is? Git checkout. There we go. Let's try this. We're gonna sudo systemctl restart. Actually, I think that should have restarted automatically. Well, let's check and see if it restarted. Okay, good. All right. Oh, good. Bingbot came by. Hello, Bingbot. All right. Everything seems to installed correctly. I think that's probably a pretty decent sign. Let's see. Test. Install.sh. Pew. Probably need to add a few more things there. All right, let's go ahead and just run. Oops. And then Webi test. Just looking to see that everything still looks all right. Interesting. Let's see here, test. I'm going to remove Comrack temporarily. Let's see if I can install that. Because that seems to be an issue of, it's for some reason, it should be choosing muscle as the version that's installing, but it is not. So, no more muscle. So let's try this again. This is kind of a big change, so just wanted to make sure everything works. I mean, this should be fine. Okay, that's just public key, right? Yeah. Okay. So that looks good, maybe. No GPG installer. I don't think that this should, whoops. GPG install sh. All right, so that's is one I've got to remove from the test as well. GPG. Used for Linux. Okay, I don't think I want to go through with this too much further. I think we've got the valuable information here already. Wait, what was the thing you gave? LMNOP. Okay. Oh, you know what? Yeah. Okay. I'm confident enough on this one. I'm just going to check out main. Oops. Get stash, I guess. Get checkout main, get rebase, refactor, and push. All right. This one was an important one because a lot of the other ones can't even be tested at all without removing that function prefix. Of course, all the JavaScript files have function in them. That's expected. Hey, how's it going? I'm AJ O'Neill. I'm just checking away at some PRs that I kind of, well, not kind of, that I absolutely created artificially to be able to boost the popularity of my project. Meaning that I put up issues for people to do that it would have been much easier for me to do myself. But I put them up as first timer issues so that, game in the system. But still, the important thing that everybody should know here is webinstall.dev is this is the project we're working on. So let me just throw that in here. Boop. What else do I want to do? I kind of want to just look at files that are real files that have an SH extension. Interesting. Okay. All right, now let's go into the next one. All right, so, and I always offer people lunch for making a PR because, it's work. So let's do add Burge. I should say drop or DM your dash wall address here. There we go. That's what I want. Okay, so now that one's closed out. I'm going to go back to this one where this is being tracked. Okay, what's the next one I want to take care of? Let's see. We'll just go through the PRs. All right, so removing the function prefix. Wait, did I not do what I thought I did? Git branch, git checkout, refactor, git push. Oops. Okay. Oh, I didn't reprove it, duh. There we go. Now I can push. All right, there we go. Now, this is an interesting one. I'm kind of curious to see how he chose to do this. I'm going to ask the Batman. Let's see. I don't remember the reason I had the distinction between UID and EUID, but I think, let's see, in the instance where I actually need to use this is going to make a difference. I have to think on that. I know how to test this though. Okay. Since containers can't add swap, it would be fine. Be fine to use bash here if that's the easiest way to get those variables. What's up, Houseway? How you doing? All right, I've got 5 more minutes and then I gotta head out. But I got one done. It's too bad because a lot of the time it's just the setup time and the getting into it. But I didn't have a lot of time this morning. All right. Let's take a look at these two. This one is probably pretty easy. That seems... Is that it? Is there really only 2 where we use this? And it's used so cleanly? Okay. Let me do a little bit of verification for myself here. We're going to look for RG equals, and we're going to filter that by files that are .sh, and then sort-u. Whoops. Let's do cut dash D F 1 sort-u. Okay. So there are 2 other files that it looks like he didn't catch. Let me check and see if they are in fact of the same type. Yeah, so these are of the same category here. So this is actually missing a couple of things. So what I'm going to try is we're going to... Oh no, that's a terrible name. Look at that. Oh, hey everybody. Oh, sorry. Elon, what are you up to? Are you just using YouTube? A lot of you started streaming more recently. Well, I haven't been streaming for the past 2 weeks because I was on vacation and was just dealing with other stuff. This way, doing great. Starting your day a bit late. That's the best way to start it. Ready for a little coding session in 30 minutes or so. All right, well, have a good one. Hey, other people joining in. Hello. Let's see. So I'm curious as to why this person only found... Oh. Let's see. Let me go back here. So why... Are these other ones not real files? Are they links? No, they're real files. Okay. Let's see if we can figure this out. Okay. Let's see if this... Oh, really? That's surprising. I'm just going to put this here for a second. I'm quite surprised that I was able to do this without punishment. I thought for sure doing that rebase would cause some sort of conflict, but it seems to have not. All right. Now... Why? Oh, oops, this is wrong. Let me try that.
Your breakfast, lunch, and dinner are ready.
Oh, thank you. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are ready. Yes. Okay, this is quite interesting. So we actually have 2 other files. I'm going to go ahead and include those as well. And just make sure. All right, we don't have to worry about that. Okay, this one doesn't matter. That one is not actually a double equals. And then what's this here? Is this the same thing? Those are the only double equals? Oh, okay. So that's why they didn't match, because they're not actually double equals. Okay. And then this one still has some double equals in it somewhere. Ooh, that's nasty. Uh-oh. Oh, it's just 2 instances? I think I might just take that one as is and then worry about these couple of extra instances later. Oh, that's JavaScript. Yeah, we don't need to worry about the JavaScript. So... Okay, I'm just going to put this as a note to myself. Commands I need to run, and then I'm going to have to get off. So thanks for all joining in for a little bit. Okay. All right. More lucky. There seem to be 2 more instances. I'm not sure if those are a special case. I'm also not sure if Posix shall. Well, we can figure this out here. What are those being used for? So let's just go into dash here. My lovely dash shell, and then let's do if $, I guess run ls, for example, something, and then we can say if $, equal star I star, then echo yo v. Let's see. Template. I'm going to see if I can figure this out before I go. Okay, so this is my show progress. So I'm trying to get wget to do a thing. I think I might be in a particular directory, a download directory here. Let's see. Or in a temp directory, maybe. All right, $dash. Let's just figure out what this is. What is $dash? I don't know how to search for this. Yeah. Okay. Built-in shell variables $. Um, okay. Flags passed to the script. All right, that's what we want. All right, so let's try this. -I. First of all, help. Of course not. Of course not. Why would it have help? That would just bloat the size of the command. What? Okay, so let's do -I-E, and then let's echo $. Oh, cool. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So we just need to match. So can we do if test of $-I equal to, whoops. Then echo yo b. Oh. How about this? I think we're gonna have to do a match here. I think what this is gonna have to change to is gonna have to be a grep. Let me go back here. I think those need to change like this. if let's see. I forget how you do it. How do you do it? How do you grep a string? Let's see. How to grep a string. I think there's a way to do this. Okay. All right, let's try this. So we'll try grep dash q. Well, grep smi. No, what we want to grep for. Grep. We want to grep for I, and we want to grep in smi. Okay, so can we do a here doc? Pipe it to grep. Okay, I guess we just do that. Echo $I grep I. All right. Echo $I grep dash QI. And then echo status would be 0. Okay. And then what if we did change this to be X, which doesn't exist? Oh my. Okay, so that seems to have worked. And then we should be able to do if the test should prevent it from exiting, then echo yo. Else echo no B. Huh. I'm not sure what to do about that. Because you can't use a pipe with inside of that. Okay, what about Posix shell here doc? Let's try grep I EOF. Okay. Can we do likewise if grep I EOF let's see, blah EOF, then in the test, then echo yes, else echo no. So that's not, I don't know how we do this. Match string. Is there a way to match a string? Is there a contains? If contains string. Let's see what we can do here. So I don't want to test with bash. I want to test with sh. Dash test substring. About Posix. First I need to be on Stack Overflow. Maybe. Yeah, I'm not a robot. Hmm. I guess maybe I can man test. So what do we do? Test. Echo. Oh, whoops. I got in the fish somehow. All right, so test SME. Okay. Test. Maybe I can do this. I don't know. I don't know how to do this. All right, I'm gonna close this out for now. I think those need to be replaced with I'm not sure how to replace those with the appropriate test command. Well, maybe we could just I don't know, will they still work? Let me try this. All right, let's get out of dash. Let's go into bash. And let's just see in bash. Else echo no v. Yes. Yes. And this should be no. All right, so we won't touch that. As a follow-up, those will need to be replaced with a blank test, but that can be saved for later. To do Posix substring matches, and that can be saved for later. There, I'm just going to comment this. And then I'm going to get the heck out of here. All right, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Like, sub, follow if you want to. Check out, there should be a link in the description. I'll just go ahead and put the links here. Creeds of Craftsmanship, software engineering, Creeds of Craftsmanship, talks and prezos, if you're interested in that. Also, There's the Discord if you want to join in the Discord. And then there's the little like, sub, follow if you want to message. So I will catch you later. Sorry if I wasn't wearing the headphones. So if anybody did sub, follow, like, or anything, I did not hear it go off. But I will. I'll catch you later. Y'all have a good one. Adios. Oh wait, and I'll raid. Give me a second. I'll choose somebody to raid to. Okay.